It's that time of the year where the DMV sends you this notification to collect your money. Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to pay your car registration online in just a few clicks. This video is for California residents only. If you are not a California resident, check with your local DMV for local rules and regulations. Okay, let's get started. The first step is to pay attention to the letter that you received in the mail. If you have this banner with smog certification required, you need to first visit your local smog check station so they can check your car. Once it passes the test, you can now proceed to make the payment online. If you don't have this banner, you do not need to smog your car for the current year, so you are good to proceed with the payment. You have three different options to pay your registration. You can pay by phone, by mail, or online. These three options are listed on your renewal notice. Today, we will focus on how to pay online. Okay, the second step is to open your favorite web browser. On the search bar, type www.dmv.ca.gov. You can find this link on your renewal notice. Hit the Enter key on your keyboard. On this page, you're going to click on Vehicle Registration. Then click on Vehicle Registration Renewal. Before you begin, make sure that you have this information. All the information needed is on your renewal notice, so that makes the process easier. Click Renew Online. Here, you need to enter your license plate number and the last 5 digits of your VIN number. Grab your registration renewal notice, and you will find your license plate number and the last 5 digits of your VIN number on the top section of the notice. Now click on Go to Step 2. This is an overview of your vehicle's information and the amount to pay. Make sure all this information matches the information on your renewal notice. If you see something different, contact your local DMV for further assistance. If everything is correct, click Submit. Click Add to Cart. Click Pay. Now you are on the checkout page. You can select e-check or credit or debit card. If you're going to use your credit or debit card, make sure to read the red letters, which tell you that they are going to add a 2.1% service fee to your transaction. At the moment of screencasting this video, the percentage was 2.1%. This could change at any moment, so keep that in mind. I am going to select credit debit card, then click Continue. In this screen, you will see your new amount to pay with the added service fee. Click Checkout. Enter your card information, your name, and zip code of your billing address. Click the Terms and Conditions and click Submit Payment. Your payment has been processed. This final page is your receipt. Make sure to print it for your records. If you prefer to receive a copy of your receipt via email, you will find this option on the bottom of the page. Once you have a copy of your receipt, you are done. Your new sticker and registration will arrive by mail within 5 to 7 business days. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.